Satisfy your thirst for adventure. Lightweight and comfortable, this hydration pack is a terrific companion for all your day-long or overnight hydration needs. Free hydration bladder, 2-liter, durable, kink-free sip tube and push-lock cushion bite valve. Large 2-inch, 5 cm, opening for ice and easy cleaning. Customizable comfort. Backpack for men, women, and youth. Adjusts to fit all frames comfortably. Notched foam stabilizer and mesh covering means you can wear this pack for hours. Trusted quality. Over 1,000 verified 5-star reviews testifying to the quality and design. Large main pocket protects gear, clothes, and lunch. Bungee cord system for cycling and climbing helmets. TETON Sports Promise. Reach out to our amazing product support team if you have any questions or concerns. You can count on us to get you taken care of and back outdoors with TETON Sports. Top reviews from the United States. Great day pack. This pack is the perfect size for day hikes. I used it in Rocky Mountain National Park for a 10-mile hike and a 12-mile hike as well as a couple of shorter hikes. The hydration bladder is the perfect size for a day of hiking. There's also a pair of water bottle holders that can also serve as trekking pole storage. I was able to carry my lunch, snacks, jacket, and first aid kit with room to spare. Very good pack for the money.